Thank you, students. How are you? Oh, thank you very much. I am also well. Welcome to my English grammar class. Today, I will discuss about part of speech and different kinds of parts of speech. So, our today's discussion headline is part of speech, parts of speech, and different types of it. The dear learners, do you know what is parts of speech? Okay, parts of speech is definition, words used in a sentence are classified into 8 parts commonly known as parts of speech. Now, dear learners, look at the definition clearly. Words used in a sentence are classified into 8 parts commonly known as parts of speech. Already you know word is made with 2 or more letters, and the word is also called parts of speech when the word is used in a sentence. Look at the sentence. You have a pen. There are used 4 words in this sentence. You is a word, have a word, a word, pen is a word. The sentence is made by the 4 words, but these words are used in this sentence. As the words used in a sentence, so we can call the word parts of speech. Okay. dear students, thank you. Now, look at the different types of parts of speech. Parts of speech are 8 kinds, or there are 8 kinds of parts of speech. Parts of speech. They are number 1, noun. Number 2, pronoun. Number 3, adjective. Number 4, verb. Number 5, adverb. Number 6, preposition. Number 7, conjunction. And number 8, interjection. Please, dear learners, again look at the different types of parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and last one is interjection. Now, look these types of parts of speech with definition and example. Noun. Noun is the name of anything, person, place, or thing. Now, look at the definition again. Noun is the name of anything, person, place, or thing. Example, Rohim pen, book, bench, tree, etc. So, dear students, when you tell the name of anything of the world, that is called noun, such as table, sky, mango, jackfruit, guava, and others' name. Pronoun. Pronoun is used for a Now, pronoun is a word used for a noun, or you can say in this way, pronoun is a word which is used in place or instead of a noun, but it indicates the noun. Example, he, she, which, who, etc. Now, look at the example in a sentence. Korim eats rice. He plays football. Please look at the two sentences. Korim is a person's name, but he is not person's name, but it indicates the name Korim, and it acts used for Korim. So, we can call the word pronoun. And just look at another example. Korim is my uncle who came home yesterday. Now look, dear students, this is name of a person and who is not a person, but who indicates the name of Korim, and who is used instead of Korim. So, we can call who is a pronoun. Thank you. Do you understand? Have you any problem? Hello students, do you have any problem? You can ask me undoubtedly. Thank you. Now, look at another parts of speech. Adjective. Dear students, do you know the definition of it? Oh, yes. Adjective. An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. It qualifies a noun or a pronoun. So, we can call the word adjective. Example, good, nice, tall, excellent, etc. The words are adjective: good, nice, tall, excellent, etc. So, dear students, have you any claim? No claim. Now, look at verb. A verb is a word the doing of an action by a person or a thing. Dear students, now look again the definition of verb. A verb is a word the doing of an action by a person or a thing. Example, write, read, play, work, etc. These words are example of verb. And verb is heart of a sentence. Without verb, a sentence cannot make, and without verb, a person cannot express its sense or idea. So, verb is very important for a students to make a sentence. Not only sentence, but also tense, voice, narration, and many other grammatical points. So, dear students, already I have discussed about parts of speech and different types of parts of speech such as adjective, such as noun, pronoun, adjective, verb. Hello students, rest of the types of parts of speech I will discuss in the next class. But my sweet learners, do you understand my today's discussed lesson? Okay. Have you any problem? Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. That is end of the class, and stay at home. Maintain social distance, protect coronavirus, and always take care of your health. Thank you very much.